Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing not a Q&A, but it's more of like who is most likely to do what, as you've seen many best friends do. So let's see. Let's get started.
Oh my god, start kar jaldi.
Okay, so the first question is, it's just taking time. Who is most likely to borrow something and forget to return it? She forgets every time
And everything.
and everything. Who is most likely to embarrass themselves in front of their crush? We don't have crushes.
Maybe
guys.
she, because I don't have any. Not even celebrity crush.
Neither me. I have crushes that only exist in my books.
Yes.
If book people can relate. If book people. Cutie Bo. If book people can relate. Hi, book girlies, by the way.
I'm not a book girly.
Me, I am.
I'm a audiobook girly. I can hear the same book, but I can't read the book.
You like Anna Huang? I like you. You like Rina Kent? I like you. You like Runix? I like you.
I don't know about
You
these
will
guys.
get me.
Okay, next.
Next question. Who is most likely to laugh at something that isn't even funny? She laughs at the worst situations, worst places. Okay, who is most likely to get jealous easily?
Both
Both of us. Who is most likely to start an argument over something stupid? She is more of aggressive. Not even aggressive, but what do we say? She gets triggered very easily.
Thank you for a brief intro of mine.
Okay, who is most likely to forget a friend's birthday?
Me, usually me.
Yeah, she does. I don't know how, but she remembers mine, so I feel
Yeah.
special. Who is most like? Oh wait, when is my birthday?
December 17th.
Good. Who is most likely to have an unhealthy obsession over a celebrity?
I do not have any celebrity crush.
Again, guys, even I don't have any celebrity crush, but I do have crushes which exist in my book. My books. Many crushes. Okay, next question is, who is most likely to become a millionaire? Guys, we are trying to do a degree which will make us millionaire probably, but let's see.
Hoping, both of us.
We are hoping.
Okay, and trying our best.
Universe, if you are listening,
Please
this
listen.
is your moment to make it
I
come
need
true.
money.
We need money.
I need money.
We need money.
You don't need money. You have money.
I
need
do
money.
not have money, guys. I need money, please.
I need money.
Listen. You have money. She has money. ITS?
ITS?
IP? She has money.
मेरे पास नहीं है पापा के पास है थोड़ा सा माइनस
As if I am doing a job. Okay, who is most likely to cancel plans at
Annie.
last minute? Yes, I do that. I do that very much. So if any of my friends are watching it, I'm not sorry because I'm gonna do that again. Okay, who is most likely to have a fear of bugs?
Me?
Both of us.
I
Okay.
really
Yeah, matlab, not
Really,
exactly,
really scared
not
of
exactly bugs, but I do not like reptiles. I do not like anything which is
Exactly.
squishy.
yes
Uh,
not even lizards cockroach and
I can tolerate.
I
cockroaches.
cannot tolerate. I can't see them. My eyes burns every time I see them. I don't know. I am a
It is
biased
like the
student.
cockroaches which are huge as hell. You do not know when they're gonna fly and come up to you.
And like Annie.
Exactly. So I do not mind cockroaches, but I do mind reptiles in general. Cockroach is not a reptile though. I said reptiles and you then went on lizard cockroaches.
वो मैं अपनी प्रेफरेंस बता रही थी. I am
Fine.
not strict to reptiles.
Fine. I do not like anything which is squishy. Okay, who is most likely to be late getting somewhere?
Sometimes I am.
Guys, getting a little bit late is fancy. But do not make a person wait for an hour or so, please. Do not.
Hour? I don't think even half an hour is.
Yes, like 15 minutes late
Is the maximum.
15 minutes late is
Okay.
It's
Max.
not okay. It's
Max. You can make someone
yes,
wait.
yes, and it's also, what do we say, high class late.
After that,
It's become
Mr.
becomes
Late.
rude. It becomes rude.
yes.
It becomes very rude. Most likely to take clothes out of the dirty laundry pile to wear. No, guys, we like our sanity.
Because we have a lot of allergies.
Yes. Who is most likely to shave their head on a dare? None of us. We like our hair way
Yes,
too much.
although
Thank you.
I spoiled it.
Yeah, she did. Who is most likely to come home with a stray animal?
Maybe I am.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
so soft-hearted.
Yes. Even I am, but nah, not my thing. Not my thing. Who is most likely to own their own business?
Both of us.
We would like to do business.
Yes, we are interested in it.
You wanna hire us? Call us. Who is most likely to have a job that they hate? We're not gonna do jobs, by the way, so probably not. Who is most likely to lock their keys in their car? She.
Yeah.
Because I don't have a car.
And
Who
I did
is-
once.
I mean, she drives her own car. I have a car, but I do not drive that. Who is most likely to steal something from the mall?
I want to steal something from a mall.
Me
but
too.
the only thing is the CCTV.
The security. If the security allows us, then we love to
Steal.
get at least 1 lakh worth things from the mall.
No,
If-
I'm bit kind-hearted. 99.
I have to deal with this every day, guys. Become a famous YouTuber.
What we are doing right now? Tell me what we are doing.
Yeah, like if this works, then probably both of us. Okay.
Yes.
Who is most likely to give themselves a haircut? She gave.
Yeah.
She gave. I want to. I want to cut my hair this short, but my mother won't allow me in the house, so I'll probably not get
Guys,
that.
you know I have a white hair.
I have 3-4 white hairs.
I have only 2 white hairs, 1 hair and 1 hair.
Iodine deficiency, guys. I don't know if that happens from
Ah.
that. I just said.
Uh,
Okay. Who is most likely to be wanted by the police?
because she can murder anyone
See.
anytime.
Dark romance girlies again. See, it's just in our head. We do not apply it in real life. That just happens in my head. If I wanted to murder by now, I would have murdered at least 60 people. At least. She knows the list. Okay, who is most likely to
We are waiting for the question.
have a secret candy stash in their room? We are not much of sweet people. Okay, who is most likely to tell a lie to get out of trouble? Both of us, I guess.
Both of us.
Who is most likely to become a viral meme? Both of us again. We both together are a viral meme.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to become famous for something stupid? Again, both of us.
What I'm saying, we are doing this right now. We're
Yes.
doing stupid things.
Who is most likely to get married first?
I am.
She.
I want
She,
to have a house
she's
of my own.
no, listen to me. She's the kind of girl who was born in a bride costume. You know what I'm trying to say? Like the girlies who are just 3-4 years old and then they dream of getting a big
Yeah.
fat Indian wedding. That I'm gonna wear this and
And
my
that.
groom is gonna wear this, and then they go on and they play with their dolls and get them married. She's that kind of girl.
But I never played with dolls, to be really honest.
Yes,
It was all in my
hypothetically you
head.
are that.
Yeah, I have my whole list of everything prepared. I also
She
have
has a
decided.
Pinterest board regarding the wedding, like
Yes.
her dream wedding.
I've decided a color of the reception. It's gonna be the bottle green, dark green color.
Damn, I'm gonna be the bridesmaid, like maid of
Yeah.
honor, not
Yeah.
bridesmaid, dude.
Yeah. So I hope तब तक सब ऐसे YouTube पे सही चलेगा and we're gonna invite you guys also.
Yes,
Make us become rich, please.
please. And if you make us become rich, then theme for her wedding would be very.
Boom.
She might plan a wedding in Vegas.
मेरे अंदर का मिडिल क्लास कभी अलाउ नहीं करेगा इस चीज के
I'm
लिए.
saying if this works, the YouTube thing works.
Even if this works, मेरे अंदर का मिडिल क्लास कभी अलाउ नहीं करता.
I'm gonna throw her a bachelorette party in Vegas. Let's just
Yes,
make this
this-
work. Just make this work,
This
please.
can work. Yes.
Just make this work.
Okay.
Okay, who is most likely to travel to another country by themselves?
This lady wants to move out of India. मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से रोका है.
Very badly, guys.
ठीक है. So let's.
Okay. Who is most likely to get into a fist fight?
Yes.
If you want to have a physical fight, not the cat fight thing, but actual physical fight, I would really love. Who is most likely to start a new fashion trend? I guess both of us.
Not me. Maybe she, because she tries something new every time.
I do not.
And
try,
I don't do this.
I do not
I
try
don't do.
something new, but
She does. मतलब, like there are, you can say there's a vibe. Whenever you get ready, there's a vibe coming from
yeah,
you.
but it's not that.
She
it's
tries
not something.
every vibe. I can't do that.
I have not yet tried the proper soft girl vibe. But no. But when I came to your house and when we
Yeah.
went, it was a soft girl
Right,
vibe.
right.
Yes, but it's not something new. I'm not setting a trend. It is something which is already in trend. I'm trying something from
Yeah,
that. It's not
but-
new.
Every vibe. मतलब, there are only few vibes that suit on few people. Like you pick a vibe and that gonna be suit on her. Every vibe is gonna be like okay and maybe very nice.
She's just exaggerating it. Every vibe goes on her as well. She just does not like to take things on herself, and then she's like, no, everything goes on you.
It goes on you.
It goes on you as well. You do not just accept that fact.
Wait guys, थोड़ी और वीडियोस आने दो, तुम्हें खुद पता चल जाएगा क्या सच्चाई है. So,
Okay. Who is most likely to
next question please.
fail a big test?
Let me explain. We are putting our hearts on this degree. If we fail, we should understand.
Listen, let's go into a bit of our past. Okay. I would not say exactly that we failed NEET, but we did not get the
Enough
exact
marks.
score to enter a government college, right?
MBBS.
MBBS. So we entered a private dental college, and touch wood, we've both been in the top 5.
Yeah.
So by that, I don't think, and I don't want to
Fail a big
fail in my degree in general, not in the
test.
subject.
Big test.
In the big, yeah,
In the
in
big
the
test?
professionals.
Yeah. In the
Yeah.
big test means not internals. In university exam
Yes,
for us.
professionals.
Yeah. So
That is.
we are putting our heart into this.
Yes.
कोई chance नहीं बनता.
We are just hoping to make the best of it.
Yeah. Let's see.
Who is most likely to max out a credit card buying something dumb? Probably me.
I can never.
I'll not buy anything dumb, but I'll go for aesthetic stuff, and
Yeah, she can.
according to people, that would be dumb.
No, according to me.
According to you, nothing I do is dumb.
Okay. Nice. Most likely to
Be
be
in a Mr. Beast video. Mr. Beast, as we know, is the YouTuber, and I don't know if our content would be like that, which will make us go into that. Let's do one thing. Let's tag Mr. Beast in the comments, and let's see what happens.
typical YouTube.
Typical YouTube,
Makers.
typical YouTube behavior.
Behavior, yeah.
Who is most likely to eat food they found on the ground?
Like not the whole food, but it can be a peanut. It can be some.
Now the ground depends. Which ground? Like on the road?
Yeah.
No.
No.
If we find something on our house ground,
Yeah.
we might think about
I
it.
will. I do not have any
15-second rule works, dude.
Yes.
But it's not that it's kept for a very long time and then
Hmm.
you're gonna pick and eat. No. 15-second rule.
Yeah.
I do is doing something stupid. Who is most likely to die doing something stupid? Both of us. No, you're not? Okay, probably me.
No, because पहली चीज you are also not a part of it. ठीक है? Because पहली चीज हम हैं लड़कियां और लड़कियों को इंडियन हाउस होल्ड में पहले से सिखाया जाता है कि आपको बन के रहना है समझदार. सो वी ऑलवेज प्ले दिस समझदार वाला रोल और हम कभी भी स्टूपिड हरकत एक लिमिट तक ही करते हैं जब तक वो डेंजरस नहीं है. तो मर तो नहीं सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये मर सकती है इसकी शक्ल से लग रहा है, बट आई तो कांट. आई कैन नेवर.
Like, it depends, like, what stupid stuff you're gonna do.
Like you have a variety of stupid stuff.
See, for example, no, but that would be by accident. I was saying that, for example, if you go for, say, some adventurous stuff, and then the swing gets broken down, and you die because of it.
So
That's not something stupid we
Yeah.
did. That is by accident.
that is something stupid God did to us. He played with us. He's playing with the feelings. What
Oh,
more
shit.
he wants.
Let's not go deep into that.
Yeah,
guys.
skip. Okay. Sometimes
Okay, guys, we are done with the questionnaire.
Yes.
And I think the video went way too long. If you have watched the whole video and you're still stuck here till the end with us, we love you guys.
Yeah.
And let us reach. We'll not aim for high, but at least 200 likes.
Let's see how much you guys can hear. Let's see.
Let's see.
Oh,
hi.
that's her real look.
Hi, the Chashmish is back, guys.
She looks like this every day because she has
Because
a
of my
nice
specs.
Yeah, she look nice.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna end the video
If
here.
I was born in another gender, I'll make her my girlfriend.
I'm still your girlfriend.
Not that.
I am a girl and I'm your friend.
Shut up.
Take a look at my girlfriend, cause she's the only one I got. Da-da-da-da. Okay, guys, we're not gonna extend this video because
Huh.
it's way too long. I do not know how long. Probably 15-20 minutes.
Half an hour.
Half an hour? No, dude.
Yeah, it does. It's right there, 32.
Oh my
No.
god.
Okay,
Okay, we'll have to do some.
Yeah, I'll chop
Chop
it
it
up.
out. Okay, bye. Love you.
Yeah, guys. Bye.